In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an employee evaluation form in Excel. Start by opening Excel and selecting a blank workbook. This gives you a clean worksheet to build a simple evaluation form from scratch. Once the blank sheet opens, click on cell A1 and type Employee Evaluation Form. This will serve as the title of your form and makes it immediately clear what the worksheet is for. Next, move down to cell A3 and type Employee Name. Then go to cell A4 and type Reviewer Name. These labels create space for the basic information you will want to capture before the actual evaluation begins. Keeping these details near the top helps organize the form and makes it easier to read later. Now you can set up the main evaluation table. In cell A6, type Performance Criteria. In cell B6, type Score 1-5. In cell C6, type Comments. These three headers create the structure of your form. The first column will list what is being evaluated, the second will hold the rating, and the third gives room for written feedback. This layout is simple, practical, and easy for anyone to understand at a glance. After that, add the evaluation metrics in the first column. In cells A7 through A9, enter your criteria, such as job knowledge, productivity, and teamwork. These are example categories that work well in many employee reviews. They give the reviewer clear areas to assess and help keep the evaluation consistent. Once the criteria are in place, go to cell A11 and type Overall Evaluation. This label will identify the final summary score for the review. Then click on cell B11 and enter the formula =average, B7, B9. This formula automatically calculates the average of the scores entered in cells B7 through B9. It is a quick way to create an overall rating without needing to do any manual math. When scores are later entered into the score column, Excel will instantly calculate the average for you. This saves time and helps reduce mistakes. Make sure the ratings are entered in the correct cells so the formula works as expected. At this point, your employee evaluation form is set up and ready to use. You have a clear title, spaces for names, evaluation categories, a score column, a comment section, and an automatic overall rating that covers everything you need to know.